Hey boys and girls, welcome to the next episode. This I'm excited about because I might be in the process of making some brand new parts for Gt86 FRS and BRZ platform. And it all starts with this unassuming little box. Right, let's unpack it. Yes guys, this is our own branded strut brace, chassis brace, and all sorts of little brackets that 86s use. So looking at this now, I'm quite happy with the result. And you got lasered TeamWeedy logo, so that's quite cool. So, and what we got here is, I'm probably gonna arrange everything in line so I can tell you guys what it is. Alright, so I've lined them up so it's easier for me to say what it is and what it does. So, starting first, front strut bar, then we got engine structure bar, and we got two little front lower braces from your lower arm to the front. Then we got front lower subframe brace. Then we got tie rod bracing. There's one and two of these. Then we got a middle subframe brace, and these ones here are for your wings or fenders, depends where you're from. And then we got rear strut bar. So what do you guys reckon? I reckon they look quite snazzy. So I think that's it for the unpackaging video, first one of the lot. And next things next, I need to get my white 86 back or put them on a black Batmobile one, test them. At the minute I got two kits, one's red and one's green. Green is obviously the color of everything, so everything here has to be green, so it's a no-brainer, everything's going green. So, and for the other one, well, everybody likes red, so that's what I'm gonna try and test. And potentially the second kit might be up for sale. I'll price it up and figure out what it needs to be, and yeah, we'll go from there. And hopefully fingers crossed, kit is nice fitting and doesn't need any modification, stuff like that, and then it can go up for sale. So yeah, all right guys, that's it for that one, and I'm on to the next video. I'll be 3 videos today, so busy. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao. I'm